We're going for the MacBook Pro, peoples. If I fall over now, I'm going to put my legs out and break my leg. If I hear a crunch, I'm going to hope it's my leg. It's cheaper to get it fixed.
What made you choose the MacBook Pro?
Because I've used Windows laptops over and over and over again, and yeah.
Man, this is not a commercial. You have to say what's the positive thing about MacBook Pro.
Go on then.
Like, because you use Logic.
Because I use Logic Pro and I can't get it on Windows, so the MacBook Pro is the best way for me, because I can have Windows, I can have MacBook, and I can still use Logic, and it looks good, to be fair. What I'm getting today, I've got i9, 8-core i9 processor, 16GB of RAM, a terabyte solid state hard drive, and I can't remember the graphics cards that's in the laptop. We'll find that out when we get the box. The specs are really good. The new Apple stuff is really, really good. The new keyboard that's on the MacBook Pro now is the scissor switch keyboard. It's the low profile keys. There's about 1 millimeter of key travel in the new one, and I can't wait to feel that, because compared to the old 2015 and onwards, the MacBook Pro from then, the butterfly keyboard was horrible, and I think just about everybody who's ever used a MacBook knows that. It's horrible.
How do you feel?
Alright, I'm excited. Very excited to open the new laptop that I haven't shut up about for 2 days. Let's go. That's what I need to do if I need to get it, and then we're on it.
Okay. Do you think you'll be a better musician from now on?
Definitely.
Are you happy now?
I can't wait.
Do you like this? You think it shouldn't do that?
I think you shouldn't do it, but we'll find out when we go. Come on.
Do you want me to hold the...
No, it's okay. Touch my laptop, boy. Let's go back to the car. There we go.
Wow. Technology.
Maybe here. Now we've got the task of remembering where to park. Not on this one. Oh my god.
It's not here.
We need to go up.
You don't remember the parking space. Man, there are numbers on the walls.
Wait there. On my car, you can set the alarm off from the key and we'll find out where it is.
Okay.
So, first of all,
We found the car.
we found the car. Here, we have the 16-inch 2019 MacBook Pro. Let's have a look at the specs before we go.
Yeah, so...
Specs on the box, we've got 2.3 gigahertz, 8-core i9 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and an AMD Radeon Pro 5500M with 4 gigabytes of memory and a terabyte of solid-state storage space. Nice. Let's get home and we're going to unbox this mother. If I fall over now, I'm going to put my legs out and break my leg. If I hear a crunch, I'm going to hope it's my leg. It's cheaper to get it fixed. I can't wait. I can't wait. Are we ready? Look at this. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Look at that gorgeous beauty. I don't even want to open the box. It's beautiful. See, I don't have to damage the box with a key or a knife. Just open it all the way around. Not all the way around because I'm not that good.
The value just decreased with at least 500 pounds.
Yeah, it's okay. I don't plan to sell it.
Claps. Drum rolls. Whoa.
That's a good quality box. That is
solid.
Very good quality box.
Keep it for warranty.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And look, even though That's got a protective film and a cover over the top. Yeah. It's like blemish free. Look at it. It's perfect. It's beautiful. Open it up. Remove that. And from what I understand, it should start up immediately, and it does.
What the hell? You haven't pressed any button. So how do you turn it on, basically?
The power button is there, but when you first open it, when Apple close them, they get closed in a box and they don't open until somebody buys them. So when you remove the thing, there's light sensors across the top of the screen on the bezel, and it fires it up. So now, we're going to set up the laptop in English UK, of course.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
Ah, British English.
And the speakers, I've already noticed, the speakers sound fantastic. Amazing speakers so far. Let's find the United Kingdom. First time I'm typing on the new keyboard.
How does it feel?
That feels really nice. It's a lot lower profile. My Mac from 2012 has got really, really thick keys, so you can't slide your finger over it. That is so smooth.
How much did you spend on this MacBook Pro?
£2,799.
Say it again.
£2,799.
Does it hurt?
It hurts, but it hurts and it feels good.
Are you a masochist?
Yes, it's like the first time all over again. It hurts, but it feels good.
What do you like most comparing with the old one? Apart from the keyboard that you said it's
the colour and the layout. So on my laptop,
yeah,
there's a little power button there. It's a really old, really old model of Mac. Hey Siri. Touch ID is ready.
So this button's
No, this is a touch bar. So
yeah,
you can do this to turn up the brightness. The brightness is really high. The keyboard brightness you can turn up, or you can turn it all the way down. You can open the volumes. Choose your look. Which one do I want? I want auto. Look at that. The screen is amazing. The resolution at the moment is 4K. 2.3 gigahertz, 8-core Intel Core i9. 16 gigabytes of RAM of DDR4 RAM. Go to the storage. We've got 1 terabyte SSD in there. And it's so crisp and clear. Let's have a look.
What else about this laptop?
There's one thing, only one thing at the moment that I'm actually disappointed about.
Okay.
It's the webcam. The webcam's only 720p. Now, I've got 720p webcam in my 2012 laptop, so that could have been improved a lot better, especially on a laptop that costs nearly £3,000. Wow. Wow, that is amazing. See what the brightness. The brightness is all the way. Turn the brightness right off. What I like about this new one as well is on my old one you've got buttons, so you can only do it that bit. On this you can customize it to however bright exactly you want it, and the touch bar feels amazing. See, the webcam's bad. That is a bad quality.
Indeed, yeah, I agree with that.
That is a bad quality, especially for a £3,000 laptop. You'd expect a little bit better.
Yeah.
Than that.
But still, if you don't use it.
Yeah. Looking at this machine, it's a piece of beauty. I mean, they've integrated the bezel really, really well. So when you look at the old 2012 MacBook Pro, there's a piece of plastic right there. And this is part of the aluminium frame. So it aids for cooling. The fans are in there. We've got fans so that it doesn't suffer from thermal throttling like the 2015 one did. What we're going to do quickly is I'm going to do a Geekbench test. I'm going to see the speed of the processors. We've got the usual Apple stuff. We've got the warranty and everything. The user guide, if you've never used a Mac before, it tells you everything you need to know. Apple stickers, very nice in space grey, not silver. I like that. Matching the Apple stickers, always Apple stickers and everything. And a piece of cardboard, that's used. USB-C cable. Now, you only get USB-C on this laptop. You don't get anything else. You get USB-C there, and a headphone jack, and USB-C on the other side. You get 2 of them. Now, if we unravel this, the one thing I don't like about Apple's new cables is the stuff that they use to make them white gets everywhere. That's the only thing about the Apple cables. Because
but that goes away once they are not new anymore, so...
Yeah, that goes away. And it smells a little bit funny. But, other than that, what I also like to do as well is leave my cables out from Apple, all of them. I leave them out overnight, stretched out to straighten them.
Okay.
Because if not, they're coiled up like so. We get, I believe, that this is 96 watts. It is 96 watts. That is just on the cusp of what is legal to have on a plane. If the regulations change, then unfortunately you had it. However, look at that. So we've no longer got the MagSafe. That's what I like. On the old MacBooks we had the MagSafe, and now we've got USB-C. It's great. You can plug it in any way. The MagSafe, it was okay. It was nice for just sort of popping it in when you needed it quickly, but it's a little bit fiddly. It's a little bit of a mess around.
This is an UK plug.
A UK plug. A UK 3-pin standard plug. You can buy the block on the European one. There's no plug that slides on. It just slides out of there. The 2 plugs slide out and it slides into the plug socket. One thing I don't like, which I do use a lot of, is on the old power blocks for the MacBooks, they had 2 90-degree things like this. You could pull those out.
Oh.
And you could use it to rest it on things. Mainly it's just for wrapping the cable up because the cable doesn't detach. The cable's attached to it. With this, you can just plug it straight in, and as you can see, it doesn't matter which way around you plug it in, it goes in. A lot of people think that you get an extension lead, but you don't. There's nothing under there. That's just empty. It doesn't even come out. Probably would if you pulled it. So that's it in a box. We're going to set the download going now. This is finally loaded. As you can see, the crispness of everything that's on the screen, and the responsiveness of it's like lightning. On the old one, you don't have the English, so there you can see the hashtag and you've got the pound sign.
Yeah.
On the old MacBook Pro, you don't have that. So if you don't know how to do it,
you have the Euro one. And
yeah, we've got the Euro and the dollar as well. On the old MacBook, you've got them, but you need to know where to find them because they're not written on there like that. Yeah. You've got the physical escape key. I like that compared to the 2015 one. The physical escape key is fantastic. It's annoying having to tap the touch bar all the time. Single core score 1155. That's faster than both of the cores on my old laptop. Multi-core score of 6,792. Let's have a look. What have we got? So, 16-inch late 2019. Let's have a look. One processor, 8 cores with 16 threads. Base frequency 2.3 gigahertz. 16 gigabytes of RAM, DDR4. Right, let's have a look. These stats are pretty good. That's fast, that's for one core, man. Look at the multi-core scores. Image compression, 405.8 megapixels a second. 9.1 gigabytes a second of transfer speed. Wow. It can detect 75.6 faces a second. It is a very fast, very powerful machine. The final conclusion, it's a fantastic laptop. It feels amazing, the build quality is amazing. I think the way they've integrated the fans, the way they've integrated the new screen with the all-in-one on the screen, I think is amazing. But Apple really needs to sort out that webcam. That is a letdown. I've got phones worth £200 with cameras better than that. The screen's amazing. The touch bar I really like. The keyboard, the low profile keys, if you can see that on the camera, just how low profile they are. You can literally run your finger across them. It's amazing. Yep. So I think the only thing bad about this laptop, the only thing,
The webcam.
Is the
We got
webcam.
it. We got it.
It's terrible. It's diabolical. It's awful. Apple, sort it out. It's shocking.
Okay then. Thank you for watching, guys. This was MacBook Pro and
16-inch MacBook Pro unboxing
Brad Fermecatorul.
by Brad Fermecatorul.
Bye.
It's an Indian female. Select the Indian female. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Wait.
Yes?
Open the documents folder.
Okay, here's your documents folder.
Now I know it's 2020. That does not sound like an Indian female to me. However, who am I to judge? Let's see what else we've got.